Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in Verizon Business account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in mbloginwireless.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Verizon Business. From here you'll be able to log in to your account. If you do not have the account yet, you can also register for your account by clicking on the option register for an account. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is enter these credentials. So first of all, what you have to do is enter your user ID. Simply click on the field of user ID. Now enter your user ID over here. If you have forgotten your user ID, click on the option forgot user ID. After that, you'll be able to recover it. Now what you have to do is enter your password. Click on the field of password and enter your password. If you want to check your password, click on the show option and you'll be able to see it. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. Now you'll also encounter the captcha over here. What you have to do is type the characters from this image. Simply click on this field and type the characters. Now after you do all of this, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on your screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Verizon Business account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.